coming in hot this time with the very first item being the large travel cloths from the Dollar Tree, guys.
Would y'all look at what I done found at the Dollar Tree? Oh my gosh, I bought 5 packs of them, guys. I got so excited. I will absolutely be taking these on vacation. So let's go to my bathroom, open one of these up. We're gonna wet it. We're gonna see what it's made of, just how durable it is, and just really check these out.
Okay, guys, so it comes in this little package. Each one is individually wrapped in these little packs. So let's rip her open here. Just like a little disc.
It didn't say hot or cold. I just ran it under some water. Wow, it's a big cloth. Okay, let's see. It almost feels like a like a paper towel. You got, oh my gosh, look how big it is. Wait a minute. Look at how big it is, you guys. Look at this. I can't even show it all on the camera. It is so big. Now that's a washcloth. I don't think you could wash it in your washing machine. You know what I mean? Like, it's not reusable, but it is definitely a great washcloth. I just had to lay it out on the counter for you guys to see how long this thing is. This is awesome. I will absolutely be taking these on vacation with me, for sure.
All right, so I'm so excited today to announce that we do have a sponsor for today's video. Welcome, Ultinic. So this is your one-stop shop for anything your pool may absolutely need. So they sent me their new wireless pool cleaner, you guys. This is cordless, wireless, whatever. This is awesome is what it is. These have gone so viral over on TikTok. Like, everybody is after these wireless pool cleaning systems. And when I was reached out by this company, I thought, you know, I don't have a pool, but my mother-in-law does. So, hey, let's hook her up. Let's see if this thing works and check it out, you know, so why not? So I agreed to do this video for them. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this pool cleaner. So, pool cleaning has never been easier. Simply click the knob to quickly start the Ultinic Pool Robot Vacuum. It is equipped with 2 large suctions that capture and lock leaves, dirt, and sand. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to effortless pool maintenance. Ultinic Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is completely cordless and hassle-free. Say goodbye to messy hoses and tangled cords. The dual motor system provides powerful 30 GPM suction and filtration, swiftly removing bugs, leaves, pine needles, dirt, and other debris to keep your pool clean and safe. This thing has 90 minutes of runtime and fast charging. The pool vacuum for in-ground pools adapts to a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, which delivers up to 90 minutes of cleaning capabilities after one full charged for 2.5 hours. Ideal for round above ground pools of up to 850 square feet. This thing is versatile and pool compatible, designed for both above ground and in-ground pools, and adapts to various pool shapes, including round, square, irregular. It can effortlessly clean tile, vinyl, and concrete pools, making it a perfect choice no matter what material your pool is made of. This thing has easy cleaning and maintenance. The filter tray is easy to clean. Simply remove the top cover and rinse the filter with a hose after every use. Guys, the customer service from this company is fantastic. I have had so much interaction with this company. They have been more than kind. When I first received it, I wasn't really sure how to use it. I wasn't really sure what to do with it. I honestly was not sure how to pronounce the name of this company, to be honest with you. And I reached out to the guy. They got right back with me. just all the information I could possibly need. Just a very, very fantastic company, it seems like. So go to the description box for the links and any discount code that they may give me. Also, if you want to check out anything else that has to do with this, go to the Ultinic website. Thank you again to Ultinic for sponsoring today's video. Okay, guys, so I bought some of the anti-fatigue mats from the Dollar Tree. These are only $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I think they're so pretty, and they're pretty thick as well. They're rubbery. Very cool. Like, I think they're going to look super nice in my kitchen. So let me place these, and then I'll kind of give you a look. Okay, I love it. I think they look so nice. They fit perfectly in front of my sink and also in front of my stove. They're the perfect size, and I love the color. Blue apparently had to check them out as well. As soon as I put them down, the dogs all had to go like sniff them and make sure they were okay to be in the house, you know. Anyways, I think they're the perfect color. They're obviously the perfect size, and I just love them. For $5, I just feel like you cannot beat that. Have y'all seen the reusable Ziploc bags at the Dollar Tree? First of all, can we talk about how pretty they are? Hello. But I did find that Amazon is going to be your better deal. But if you just need a few, grab some at the Dollar Tree. They're pretty. Y'all, I found air fryer parchment paper liners at the Dollar Tree, for heaven's sakes. How cool is that? But once again, Amazon is going to be your better bet. You get like 150 for like $12 on Amazon. But if you just need a few, grab them at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so while I was in the Dollar Tree one day, I was looking through like the toothpaste and the all of that type stuff, and I found the Plackers Stop Grinding mouth guard. This thing on Amazon is about $4 or $5 a piece. So grabbing it at the Dollar Tree is awesome. Look at these little cups. Hold up. Are these not cute? Look at the little foxes. And it's got a flip up straw. Okay, and then this one's got strawberries all over it. Cutie. I'm gonna grab this for Tinsley. I'm gonna get 2 of these for her. Y'all, look at how stinking cute these little cups are. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I bought these for a good friend of mine's little girl, Tinsley Joe, and I love these. They're really neat. I got them out of the package because I wanted to show you guys this part. The little top just flops back, and you got the straw. How cool is that? Now, that is so simple for a little one to do. I love it, you guys. And then you got the straw. How stinking cool is that? These are so, so cute. I love these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so have you guys seen the new dishwasher cleaner packages at the Dollar Tree? So you get 6 in a pack for $1.25. On Amazon, the name brand is $13.97 for a 6-pack. The new utensil rest from the Dollar Tree. Guys, how cool is this? This is all silicone. Let me grab this out of the package and we will actually test this out. Okay, so I'm frying up some hamburger meat, making some tacos for my family. We've got our new Dollar Tree spoon rest here, utensil rest. How nice is that, you guys? And you can put more than one, obviously, so that's super nice. I love this. I love this. I'm going to grab one of these for my mother-in-law, actually. I think this is a really nice, like, gift. Anyways, grab one of these at the Dollar Tree. You definitely need it as your spoon rest. Okay, y'all. So in the Dollar Tree, the organization section is blowing up. They've got so many new items, but the coolest new item is these stackable bins. Found the same exact thing on Amazon, $24.99 for 3 of them. You can buy them $5 a piece at the Dollar Tree right now. Y'all, check it out. The new stackable storage containers from the Dollar Tree. So these are $5 a piece. I bought 3 of them. They are too neat. I love these. Now look at how long, like how deep they are. This is a good size drawer, you guys. I was able to fit several things in these. Now I haven't like filled these like I want to yet, but I just put a few things in to show you guys. But guys, these are nice. These are very, very nice for $5 a piece. The new taco stands at the Dollar Tree right now. How cool is this product, you guys? I found one on Amazon. It was going to be $6.94 for one of these, and they are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Also, in the gardening section, you guys, they have got these things called a mosquito repelling coil. If you've tried these, please let us know in the comment section if they work. Now, moving right along, also in the gardening section, guys, they have come out with several new things. They've got rakes, they've got hoes, they've got shovels, they've got, you name it. They have got what you need for your garden at the Dollar Tree right now. Y'all, I got so excited when I found the pink stuff paste at the Dollar Tree. This has gone so viral. Now, I found this months ago and I just haven't showed it yet, but I found it again and I thought, you know what? I've got to show them this paste because it actually works. What about it, you guys? We found the multi-purpose cleaning paste at the Dollar Tree. Now, this is a dupe for, okay, obviously it's not $1.25, so we're gonna work on this. We're gonna use this and see if it works as well as the original. So let's get this out and use it. Also, to help me clean my stove, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree's Scrub Buddies flour sponges. These are a dupe for the Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy sponges, you guys, and they work fantastic. So I'm going to be using one of those along with the multi-purpose cleaning paste. Okay, so check it out. My stove is wrecked. I just got through cooking supper and it looks like a hot mess. So let's clean this up with the Dollar Tree's multi-purpose paste. Check it out. Looks good, looks good. It's not dry yet, but it looks really good. It cleaned up fantastic. I will definitely be buying more of that from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so have y'all seen these individually packaged items in the makeup section at the Dollar Tree? 90% of the time, they are going to be a name brand product in that package. Like, for instance, these are L'Oreal Paris lipsticks. If you see this packaging, check it out because it's going to be something good, I promise. Okay, guys, so as you see here, we have got the Dollar Tree's bathroom cleaner. This is the Concentrated Pods starter kit. So you're going to get the spray bottle and 2 pods. Now, we tried out the glass cleaner. We've already done that on this channel, and it actually worked really, really well. We cleaned those windows that need to be cleaned again, but that's besides the point. We cleaned those and it worked out really well. So I wanted to clean my shower with this. I'm looking for something that's really gonna cut that like soap scum, whatever. Anyways, so let's try this out in my bathroom. Okay, so in order to use this, you're just going to snip off the corner, which of course I didn't bring any scissors. I might have some in my drawer here. Hang on. Yeah. Okay. So you're just going to snip off the corner like so. Pour this in. And it comes with 2. And then you're going to want to fill it up the rest of the way with water. Super simple. Maybe that's why you put the water in first. Put the water in first. Guys, I messed up. I totally messed up. Y'all are seeing this in real time. Totally messed up. So put the water in first. and then pour in the chemicals because it's just going to suds up if not. I'm going to have to get the suds out. I can't help it. Mine's going to be really concentrated. All right. Now, let me show y'all this monstrosity that is my shower. It looks funky. It's dirty, guys. It's used. It gets used, okay? And I self-tan, so that doesn't help anything. But anyways, yeah. So it needs to be cleaned. We're going to spray it down good. I'm going to take everything out, spray it down good, and go from there. So I just put the cleaner in the shower, and I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes or so. I didn't read the back of the bottle. I should actually probably look and see what it says. But I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, kind of do its thing, and then we're going to scrub it, rinse it, and see what, or I'm going to try to not scrub it. I hope that it comes clean very easily, but we'll see. So anyways, I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and then we're going to clean this up and see how well the cleaner worked from the Dollar Tree. All right, guys, check it out. It looks so much better. It really worked really well. I will have to say, it really worked really well. I sprayed it on. I let it set for about 10 minutes, and that was that. This is a stain. That is from purple shampoo that I cannot get off. That's a stain. And then this around my tub is like glue, so that's not dirty. But as far as like cleaning, it worked really, really well, you guys. I was able to just barely have to scrub at it, and then it rinsed off perfectly. So I will be purchasing that again for sure, especially with it coming with 2 of those pods. Y'all check out what I found at the Dollar Tree. This is a disposable razor with a suction cup holder. It is by Assured. It has a 3-blade razor with it. I'm very excited to try this out, especially with this little holder. I think this is awesome because you can use this for other razors. You know what I mean? Like, just the suction cup holder itself for your razor, to me, is worth $1.25. Plus, you get the razor. Now, if the razor's worth anything, I don't know. But I do like that you get the suction cup holder. So, let's go put this in my shower. You guys, look at it. I love it. I love it. And like I said, you can use the holder. Like, you don't have to have this particular razor. I'm sure any razor would fit in it. Let's try another one. Hang on. Look, it's perfect. I love this. I'm going to get another one for my husband. Like, grab these at the Dollar Tree. These will go quickly. All right, y'all, that is it for today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed these hidden gems. I always have a blast making these videos for you guys. Speaking of videos, let me know in the comments section. Give me some ideas of some videos that you're wanting to see. Maybe some get ready with me's, maybe some day in the life, maybe more of the hidden gems, possibly some DIYs. Just let me know in the comments section what you're wanting. I thank you so much for being with me today, guys. I really do. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.